What is this cat doing? He's just sitting there looking at that hole. Oh, he thought it moved. Brr. What is he doing? He's like looking dead straight at that hole for no reason. What are you doing, Mr. Cat? Mr. Cat, what are you doing? Mr. Cat, what are you doing? What are you looking at? Is that a mouse? Those dead trees, plants. What are you looking at? Oh? Hey. What are you looking at? Yo. He's just sitting there. Just sitting. Just sitting. Look at him. Look at him. Like, just sitting. Just sitting. He's dead out straight sitting. What are you doing, Mr. Cat?
I can catch up to him.
Why did y'all close that back? Open that back up.